welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT for keyword research. This might be a use case that you're not familiar with, and I hope it can really help you out. It's very easy to do. So first and foremost, what I want to do is just paste this in here. I copied it previously. It said, I need help with keyword research. Give me as many keywords as you can related to ClickBank, okay? So I said, give me as many, and I tested this out previously, and it just kept going and going. So I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to cut it so we don't have to wait for them to load, and let's see what we get. Okay, it actually didn't take too long, so let's go back up. So as you can see, I'm not going to go through all of them, but like affiliate, products, marketplace, sales, success stories. Let's do, give me even more keywords. All right, and if I scroll up a little, you'll see we have even an example of it. Let's go back to a new chat and let's talk a little bit more about how maybe you can find more broad. Yeah, I'm not sure if I would categorize those as long tail keywords. I usually see them as like being even longer